Hi, it's Kev the Builder, and today I'll be talking about plasterboarding and bonding, and obviously skimming, and also dealing with plaster beads. Okay, so basically we've got a new installation of some French doors. Obviously got an opening, or a reveal it's called, and what we need to do is obviously make good of the walls. So in this instance we're using some plasterboard. This is the standard white grey plasterboard. So this is about 12.5mm thick, which is standard. You can actually get thinner plasterboard, 9.5mm. So this is the grey plasterboard. You can actually get different colours. The green plasterboard is a moisture plasterboard that's mainly used in bathrooms, and you can get pink plasterboard, which is often used for fire regulations. It's an FD30 plasterboard, pink, so it's obviously can use for fire. So, but this is particular instance is used for obviously for grey, for just doing the reveal around the French door. This stuff here, the pinkish stuff, dark pink, is bonding. That's used to bring out the wall and bring it into level. And this silver stuff up here, which is thin coat, which comes in different sizes and lengths, but this is the thinner coat width. You can get a wider coat bead, but we're using thin coat, not thick coat, and that's because it's called thin coat, because you're obviously going to put a thin coat of skim coat over it and around it. Okay.